It's Professor Dave. Let's learn how to use questo and quello.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
Let's say you want to buy a book. You might say, I am buying a book. But which book? I am buying this book. Or perhaps, I am buying that book. In the first version, you are buying any book. In the second version, you are buying a specific book nearby. In the third version, you are buying a specific book that is far away. This and that are demonstrative adjectives, which comes from the Latin verb which means to show. The forms of these adjectives are not very difficult, so let's start with the word questo, which means this. There are forms for masculine and feminine, and within those categories, we need a form that precedes nouns that begin with a consonant and a form that precedes nouns that begin with a vowel. Then we have all those options in their plural form. So let's fill in this chart. For masculine singular, it's questo. Questo ristorante. This will apply to special sound words as well. Questo specchio. If the noun starts with a vowel, it becomes quest with an apostrophe, so we can smoothly link the words. Quest'albergo. For the feminine singular, it's questa. Questa casa. If the noun begins with a vowel, it's again just quest with an apostrophe. Quest'arancia. Now for the plural forms. For masculine, it's questi. Questi bambini. This will be used for any masculine plural noun, no matter what letter it starts with. Questi specchi. Questi alberghi. For the feminine plural, it's queste. Queste patate. Again, this is the only form, no matter what the plural noun. Queste amiche. Now we do the same for quello, which means that. This one is a little trickier because it needs to follow the use of the definite article, just like the adjective bello, which we have already seen. This means we need a masculine singular form for nouns that begin with a consonant, a special sound, or a vowel, then feminine singular forms, and then all of the same for the plural forms. For masculine singular, if the noun begins with a consonant, we have quel. Quel ristorante. For a special sound, it's quello. Quello specchio. For a vowel, it's quel with an apostrophe. Quell'albergo. For the feminine, we use quella. Quella casa. There are no special sounds in the feminine, so we skip that one. For the vowel, it's again quel with an apostrophe. Quell'arancia. Now for the plural forms. For masculine, we have quei. Quei bambini. For the special sound, we use quegli. Quegli specchi. And for the vowel, we also use quegli. Quegli alberghi. For feminine plural, it's quelle. Quelle patate. And this stays the same regardless of the plural noun. Quelle amiche. If these words are used without any nouns, they are called pronouns. When used as pronouns, there are fewer forms because they don't need to comply with the first letter of the following word, as there is none. Questo, questa, questi, queste. And similarly, quello, quella, quelli, quelle. These are easy to use in simple situations. Che calzini vuoi? Questi, or perhaps quelli. Lastly, let's note that questo can be used as a contraction in certain expressions. Let's say you want to refer to this morning. Instead of questa mattina, you drop the first half of questa and put the words together. Stamattina. Stamattina. Similarly, we can have stasera and stanotte. These only refer to the current day and not any other day. You could also say stavolta, meaning this time. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.